Because your girl is your girl is hype.
All I want to is to be close to you.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coily Ponytail. Now I told y'all I was going to be doing some more natural hair videos this year because, you know, I want to get more comfortable with my natural hair. Today's video is very special because I'm giving you guys another glimpse into my PCOS hair journey. If you do not know what PCOS is, it is polycystic ovary syndrome, and it does cause hair loss and male pattern baldness. I have been suffering with this since 2015. However, I did notice hair loss prior to my diagnosis, so I haven't really been able to do certain hairstyles with my hair because of, you know, their hair loss. Most of my hair loss you will see in the middle of my crown, and I do have a little bit of thinning around my hairline, but that does grow back pretty fast depending on the products that I use. But if you want to hear more information about my journey as well as see me styling my hair in different ways, make sure you check out my PCOS playlist. Everything related to my PCOS journey will be linked on that playlist. This will be sort of a talk through video, so I will be showing you guys in depth how I slick up my short natural hair as well as style these ponytails up for you guys. I have not always been able to pull my hair up into a ponytail because most of my hair thinning and balding is right in the crown. And you know, when you do ponytails, you need that anchor in the middle of your head, okay? So if my hair is cut short, or like even if I blow it out, it's not long enough to cover that middle section, I can't pull my hair up in a ponytail. So that has kind of deterred me from wearing ponytails. However, your girl is on her hair growth journey. For today's video, okay, we are doing some ponytails, natural hair ponytails on my short natural hair, okay? Because your girl is your girl is hype. So with that being said, this video is brought to you by Hergivenhair. They sent me over some ponytails to review for you guys. All the specs for these ponytails as well as the links to purchase them will be down below. So if you want to see how I prep my natural hair as well as style up these ponytails, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So Hergivenhair did send me two different ponytails. First we have the Kinky puff. It is in the 4B to 4C texture. Out the pack, I was a little worried because she was a little short, but I was able to stretch the hair using some twists.
You forget that golden rule. Why is I love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave.
I also have the Coily Drawstring ponytail in the 3C to 4A curl texture. The construction of both of these are the same. You do get a comb in the front and the back of the ponytail and the puff, as well as a drawstring to tighten down the puff or ponytail to your actual hair. I would definitely suggest using extra bobby pins to secure this joint in place, because if not, it will go slipping and sliding off your head. Now I did go in and wash and condition my hair using my Aussie products. I'm also going to pop out my curls a little bit more on both units by using my Dark and Lovely curl glaze and my Cantu curling cream.
And we reach a point we can't rewind.
Now the one I'm working on right now is the Kinky puff, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it does maneuver and move just like natural 4A, 4B, 4 etc. hair, okay? So I did use my Felicia Leatherwood brush to detangle my unit as well as put some twists in this joint to kind of define the curls a little bit more. I didn't really expect it to get like super coily or nothing because, like I said, this is a Kinky puff, but I did want it to get some type of definition.
Going through changes, I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point.
So in order to prep my hair, I gotta use my products to get it together. First, I'm gonna use my As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. This is my first time using these products, and I really am in love with how they make my hair feel, how they smell. Everything is just on point with them. I'm also going to use my Jamaican Black Castor Oil that I got from Walmart just around my edges. It definitely helps keep my edges intact and helps them grow back in when they do feel or look a little thin. You can also use the Baby Don't Be Bald that I mentioned in previous videos that I got from Amazon. This is the triple string, so if you want to check that out, you can. But today I'm just using the castor oil around my edges, and I'm just getting that all together. Now before I gel up my hair, I'm going to put it into a loose puff. And then I'm going to use a trick that I saw by Miss Naturally Mary. She used the Dark and Lovely glaze on her natural hair before she added her Eco Styler gel. I must say, y'all, it kept my hair very shiny, very moisturized looking, very smooth, and it wasn't weighed down or crunchy.
Once I did, it should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
Now, I wasn't really sure if I want to do edges or not, but you see me right here trying to sweep some with my comb because, you know, YouTube told me that, you know, use a comb instead of the bristle brush. But y'all, it wasn't working for me. So here I am back again with my little edge brush, and we're going to stick with that because I can't get with the comb. The comb just wasn't working for me today.
Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Now I'm spraying that water back on my hair. You can use whatever you want to use, but because this is a protective style, I want to make sure that my natural hair under this puff is actually still protected and well moisturized.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby.
Now I do have some white residue that was left on my hair because obviously I just did this in a matter of like 30 minutes to an hour. So that part did go away and dry. I just wanted to put some twists in my hair just to kind of define the puff a little bit more.
'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air.
Now this product I also got from Mary. It is Topic. It is like a hair fiber in a can pretty much, and you just blow it on your hair. So if you have thinning edges, a thinning hairline, you know, bald spots in your hair that you want to cover because you want to wear certain hairstyles, definitely check this out. This is my first time using it, so I'm not really, you know, like, you know, a pro at this, but Mary be spraying this joint on her hairline and it be looking good. So I'm gonna keep working with it because I actually do like how it filled in my hairline. Real nice and easy. I would definitely say using the comb didn't really do much. It still looked a little patchy. However, when I used my edge brush, it definitely brought it all together.
Wasting time with you, baby. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.
Okay, now let's go ahead and put in the coily ponytail. So again, same cap construction, place the comb in the front of your ponytail, and then as you see when I turn around to the back, you place it in the back of your ponytail, and then you pull the drawstring to tighten down the actual ponytail or the puff.
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we love.
Now straight on my head, I wasn't really sure how I was going to style this unit. However, you're going to see that I got her all the way together in some different styles because y'all, she a look, okay? She really is a look. So let's go ahead and get into these looks, shall we?
Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. In our kingdom, kings fall dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you.
If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because your girl is serving looks today and giving some inspiration, if I must say so myself, okay?
Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya, with ya.
So the ponytail was not all the way dry, so that's why you see me going in with the blow dryer. I am definitely feeling the look that I got after using this blow dryer because it just poofed my hair up a lot more. Y'all see me going to work, okay? Going with the wind fabulous. Y'all know I like big hair, so you know, it doesn't bother me when the hair swells up most of the time though. This hair texture kind of matches the nape of my neck, but not really the rest. So I wanted kind of a mixture of like a kinky, coily type of texture that was like, you know, really, really thick.
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we love, it's not a long way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. In our kingdom, kings fall dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we need,
So if you want to check out either one of these units, like I said, I will put both links down below so you can do that. I will also link all the products that I use in my Amazon storefront, so if you want to check those out as well, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.